Welcome to the ULOI tutorial, the innovative data interchange module that allows you to monitor learning objects within your learning management system. First, connect to the website, uloi.cloud. Once on the home page, click on the Sign Up button at the top right. Fill in the fields, create a secure password, and click Submit. Once your registration is complete, contact the 𝘣𝘶𝘴𝘪𝘯𝘴 technicians to activate your profile. After gaining access, return to the main screen, enter your credentials again, and log in by clicking Login. Within the dashboard, you'll be able to see all the configured LMS systems. To connect your LMS, click on New LMS. Enter the name of the learning management system in the corresponding field and select either 𝘣𝘶𝘴𝘪𝘯𝘴 or XAPI, depending on the format in which you want the data to be exported. Copy the URL of your LMS into the field below and leave the new username and new password fields blank. You have successfully registered your LMS. Now it's time to test it. ULOI generates a unique LMS ID to identify the platform. Click on the three dots in the top right corner to edit the entered data or delete the LMS. Click on Show Users to view reports related to user activities. In this section, you can see which learning objects, such as serious games, apps or IoT devices, are being used by the users. Specifically, User ID displays the tracking ID of each individual user, while 3D App ID shows the unique ID of the monitored learning object. Finally, Actions allows you to remove the association between a single user and the learning object they have used. In Settings, you can edit your account information such as profile picture, first name, last name, email, and password. For more information about ULOI and use cases, we invite you to contact the 𝘣𝘶𝘴𝘪𝘯𝘴 team, message us on WhatsApp, fill out the form, or give us a call.